Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to bother you. Me? English? I speak very little.
No worries. I'm just a bit lost. My phone is dead, and I'm looking for Dotonbori.
Ah, Dotonbori. Yes, I know. You go straight.
Straight. Okay.
And you see big store. Don Quixote, you know?
Don Quixote, the huge discount store. Got it.
At Don Quixote, you turn left.
Turn left at Don Quixote. Roger that.
Then walk 5 minutes. You see big Glico man. Big sign.
The Glico running man sign. Wow. Okay, I think I get it. Straight, left at Don Quixote, walk for 5 minutes, and look for the Glico man.
Yes, perfect.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver for real.
Lifesaver? For real?
Oh, sorry, it's slang. Lifesaver means you helped me a lot. And for real just means really or truly.
Ah, I see. You welcome.
Well, I should get going. Have a great day.
Wait, please. One question, if okay.
For sure. What's up?
What's up?
It's a casual way to ask, what is it? Or what do you want to ask?
Oh, okay. I study English, but I am always confused. Are you and do you? When I use, how is different?
Oh, that is a brilliant question. Seriously, a lot of learners get stuck on that.
Honto? Really?
For real. Okay, let's break it down.
Break it down?
It means let's explain it in a simple way.
Ah, please break it down.
Okay, first, your question was good, but let's polish it. You can ask, when do I use are you?
When do I use are you?
Perfect. And how is it different from do you?
How is it different from do you?
Exactly. You learn fast. So think of it like this. We use are you for things that are, like feelings, descriptions, jobs, or locations, nouns and adjectives.
Feelings, descriptions.
For example, are you tired? Tired is a feeling. Are you a teacher? Teacher is a job, a noun.
Ah, are you tired? Are you a teacher?
Right. Now we use do you for actions, for verbs, things that you can do.
Actions, verbs.
For example, do you play a sport? Play is an action. Do you have a pet? Have is a verb.
Do you play? Do you have? I see.
Are you is for being. Do you is for doing.
Being, doing. Okay.
Okay, let's try a quick quiz. How do you ask me if I am happy?
Happy is a feeling. It's about being. So, are you happy?
You nailed it.
Nailed it?
It's slang. It means you did it perfectly.
Oh, I nailed it. Yay!
You sure did. Okay, next one. How do you ask if I like sushi?
Like is an action, a verb, doing. So, do you like sushi?
Boom. You got it. You're a natural at this. And yes, I do like sushi. A lot.
Me too. Thank you. This is so clear. English is difficult. I am old. My brain is not young.
Hey, don't say that. Age has nothing to do with it. Learning a language is like exercise for your brain. It keeps it strong.
But I forget. I learn a new word tomorrow. it is gone.
That's super common. It happens to everyone. I used to teach English to kids. Want some pro tips?
Pro tips? Yes, please.
Okay, tip 1. Don't just study, use it for fun. You like cooking shows or dramas?
I like watching animal videos on YouTube.
Perfect. Watch cute cat videos from America or the UK. First time, watch with Japanese subtitles. Second time, watch the same video with English subtitles.
Same video. I already know the story.
Exactly. So your brain can relax and just absorb the English sounds.
That is a very good idea.
Tip 2 is 5 is the magic number. Don't try to learn 30 words a day. You'll burn out.
Burn out?
It means you get so tired that you lose your motivation.
Yes, I feel burnt out many times.
So just learn 5 new words a day. Write them on a sticky note and put them on your teapot or rice cooker.
On my suihanki, my rice cooker.
Yes, you'll see them every day without even trying to study.
This is genius.
And last tip, and it's the most important, be brave like you were today. Your English wasn't perfect when you gave me directions, right?
No, I am sorry.
No, don't be sorry. It was awesome. I understood you 100%. Mistakes are just stepping stones. They show you're walking, not standing still.
Mistakes are stepping stones. I like that.
You're doing an amazing job. By the way, what's your name?
My name is Sachiko.
It's a real pleasure to meet you, Sachiko-san. I'm Jay.
Jason, you are a very kind teacher.
And you are a very good student. I should really get going to see that Glico man.
Yes, you must go.
Thank you again for everything. You really made my day.
Made my day?
It means you made me feel very happy.
Ah, Jason, you made my day too.
See? You're using it already.
Oh,
You hang in there with your studies, Sachiko-san. You've got this.
hang in there? Don't give up?
Yes, I will hang in there.
That's the spirit. Jason, you have a wonderful trip in Osaka. Please eat lots of takoyaki.
I will, I promise. Goodbye, Sachiko-san.
Goodbye, Jason. Be safe.